les bistrots, dans les faubourgs, y a pas de piano, mais y a toujours.
It's 4:30 in the morning. We are heading to Toronto Pearson Airport to pick up my friend Maritza, who is flying in from Vancouver this morning, and then we will be on the road. Airport, we should be in about 13 minutes. The traffic speeds up, but mandatory Tim Hortons haul. So pick this one up at the airport, and we are now en route to Montreal.
Welcome to Montreal.
So we've just arrived to Montreal and we're super hungry because we drove 8 hours, so we're heading into Chinatown to try to find some cheese. Found a all-you-can-eat buffet, 13 bucks in Chinatown. It's super sick. We got awesome window seats so we can do some serious people watching while we chow. Chow down.
We love sushi. Bon appetit. Konnichiwa.
That $3 beer just tastes so much more sweeter, doesn't it?
Thank you very much. Yeah! Welcome to Notre-Dame. What up, G?
Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Check out this sweet drone footage of the city.
Bonjour, good morning. We're in Montreal. This is the start of our first full day. We are going up Montreal this morning. Hopefully not going to get stuck in the rain. So check it out here. Montreal is super well known for its amazing art scene. We're walking down St. Laurent at the moment, and the graffiti down here is crazy. Each alleyway's got the most incredible artwork, like super realistic looking stuff. I mean, that skeleton's not very realistic, but you know what I mean. Like, it's really, really sick graffiti. So definitely check that out when you come to Montreal.
Sweet rocks, man.
Now we're getting somewhere. Yep.
So much snow and ice. This is crazy. Oh, slippery. Welcome to Montreal. Alright guys, hope you like that drone footage. It was pretty crazy with all the mist and the fog going over the trees. I'm going to head to the top of the mountain and then we'll see what we can see up there. Visibility is pretty poor because of the rainy, misty conditions, but the footage looks pretty good with Hogwarts in the background. Catch you at the top. We got a long way to go. The higher you get up the mountain, the more the fog and mist builds up here. You really start to feel the oxygen getting real thin. See you there. If you get to Montreal, highly recommend this walk. On a bright day, you would see it was super sunny, you would see the entire city. But even when you get a misty, foggy day like this, the elements are still eerie.
Walk up is actually not that hard at all, and it's quite short. The view would be amazing had the not big cloud of fog rolled in. Apparently you can see the entire city from this location. Mother Nature is not on our side today, but it's still pretty sick up here anyway.
This location is incredible.
Was actually invented in Montreal. So we've come to this pub called Pub Brewski, which has tons of different beers on tap, and they actually have a peanut butter beer. So we've got it here and we all had to try it. So cheers! Got some vegan chili.
Big old martyrs at your level now. Jesus Christ.
Montreal. There's a pyramid, there's a Ferris wheel, there's a big ship, there's a church, there's a bridge. Cirque du Soleil's over there. It's minus 25 degrees. Check it out.
Excited. We're at Cirque du Soleil, which actually started here in Montreal. The big top is behind us, so we're going to see the Allegria show, which is like a Renaissance version of the show. It's David's first time seeing Cirque du Soleil, so we are super stoked even though it's raining. So let's go check it out. Woo! Day number 2 in Montreal. We are getting some crepes for breakfast. We're hitting the biosphere today. We're going to check our Habitat 67. So let's go.
Oh damn, look at them beautiful bamboo.
We're at Cafe La Crepe. We just ate some incredible crepes. They have sweet, savory, kind of a mandatory thing to do in Montreal. And now we're all in a total food coma and can barely walk. So definitely check them out.
Where are we heading to now?
We are heading to the metro to go down to the biosphere.
Oh, fantastic. So we'll see you there.
See you there. Check it out. It's arts at the moment, and we've just entered the underground city, as it's called. Essentially, Montreal has got these this underground mall that goes from one end of the city to the other. So basically, you can walk the entire city if it's really cold, without ever having to actually go outside. So we're at one end right now that we've just entered, and we're going to meander through and see where we end up.
Got his return ticket. You just give it a quick tap McGee. Boom. Posse eat. Welcome to Jean-Luc. Oh, damn! Oh, blow away.
The biosphere. This is now an environmental museum, but it was actually built in '67 for the World Expo, and then Environment Canada bought it out to change it into a environmental museum regarding climate change and sustainability, which is totally up our alley. So we're going inside to check it out.
Hey guys, we're here in Park Jean-Luc Picard from Star Trek, and what the hell is that? Look at that! The damn bubble. Oh my god. Welcome to the future. Alright guys, so I just broke away from the crowd and I just sent up the Nacleroid. As you can see, old biosphere in the background. I just sent the Nacleroid up, got some crazy footage hovering over. I'm going to stitch that in now and I'm going to catch up with the rest of the crew.
La Banquise for the best poutine in Montreal, and we just arrived and it's literally middle of the day, and there's a queue way down the street. So we're going to wait and we're going to get it, and we'll see if it's actually as good as it seems to be. Let's check it out.
stainless, and it even has stainless steel. Sustainability, people. Gotta keep it sustainable. The mango mojito, delicious. And I got a lychee martini. Insane. Absolutely insane.
This is the best damn hotel in the city. Hotel des Arts, 2 stars. It's definitely not 2-star. It's an amazing hotel, budget, part of the city. If you're in Montreal, you should 100% stay here. Check it out. Drone footage. Today is our last day in Montreal. We've woken up, it's sunny, it's warm. Of course it's the last day, so we're kind of cycling through a few places that we've already been, just because it's enjoyable and we're actually able to get some pictures. So we're gonna take some pictures here now outside of the Notre Dame Basilica, so check those out here.
Watch out, babe, don't fall in there.
Oh, girl, you did not. It says Pokemon on every window. We went in, literally nothing. And Ferris wheel, and then Cirque du Soleil is right there. Cool. Crazy. You can literally see everything from this view where we've been for the last few days. So we just checked out of our hotel and we have headed back to Eva B, which is the sick vintage store that we found on the first day we were here. Apparently they have an Easter egg hunt today, which will be starting in about 5 minutes. So we're gonna check that out before we hit the road. We're in.
Where are the eggs? Wow. Oh my.
My heaven place. So that is a wrap on Montreal. We hope you really liked this video, so like it below and definitely leave your comments, let us know what you think, and subscribe